About 35 and 37. Let's just get these two kicked out of the way. I'm going to start with 37 just because it looks the most hardest, like the hardest one. So first things first, I'm the realist. No, I'm kidding. Choose one or the other. I'm going to choose to do, here, let me do pink. I'm going to choose to start with this guy. So we're going to have 1/2 x plus 1/3 y equals 3. I want to solve for x. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do this. 1/2 x equals 3 minus 1/3 y. With me so far? Nothing crazy thus far, right? I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Okay? Multiplying by 2 because there's a 1/2, so the 2 goes on the outside. He's done. This is just an x equals. That's 6 minus 2/3y. Do you understand everything I've done so far? Haven't done anything that crazy. I'm going to rewrite him in the bottom. So we have our new system of equations. 2/3 y equals -1. That's all we've done so far. Nothing crazy. If that was hard for you, I don't know. Shouldn't be doing this level of math. So now we come to, oops. Oh, no, not whoops. Everything's good. So x is equal to this whole thing. So now wherever we see in the next thing, in this case this x, wherever we see an x on the next equation that we haven't touched, everything that we say equals x is going to go into that guy. So for example, it's going to be like this. 1/2 times, what do we say x equals? 6 minus 2/3 y. Close that parenthesis. Should have actually done the same color. And we continue it. Minus 2/3 y equals -1. We're just continuing what we didn't do. All we did was just plug in this for x. That's all we've done. Let's multiply that in. So 1/2 times 6, or you could just think of it as 6 divided by 2. So 2 times what number gives us 6? 3. Perfect. 2, or 1/2, times negative 2/3. That equals, what do you think? It's going to be a negative, because positive times a negative is still a negative. What do you think that answer is going to be, out of curiosity? 2/6, right? 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Y. Minus 2/3 y equals -1. Let's see, can we do anything here? So we have -2 over 6y minus 2 over 3y equals -1. So I'll just do it right here on the side, just without the y's. 6 times 3, 18. Put a minus sign, because that's what we're doing. 6 times 2, 12. 3 times, oh my god, I can't think. 2, 6, 3 times 2 is 6, yes. Everything's negative. So what's negative 6 minus 12? -18, yes, over 18. So that's what these two equal. It's going to be 3 minus, basically 1 y, or just a y, -1. So what can we do from here? Well, here, let me clean this up. Sorry, there's always a lag on this. I'm going to have to record simultaneously. Let me clean this up, because it's going to start to get messy. Good. So basically this whole thing is going to be y equals +3. That's going to be the end result of all this. Not that hard, right? So we have our y. We're going to choose one of these up here. Either him, or the newer version where we can plug in a y. Personally, I'm going to use this guy. So I'm going to just do the work over here. X equals 6 minus 2/3 y. Instead of y, I'm going to put a 3. So sorry, this thing is like, it doesn't erase so fast. Cool, that's enough, that's good enough. So x equals 6, and that's going to cancel out, minus 2, which is x equals 4. So the final answer for this guy is going to be x is 4, y is 3. Easy, right? So now, Sorry, I'm just going to erase it to make my life easy. The other one that was right here, like that. 2x plus 3y equals 6. X minus y equals 1/2. What do you think is the next step? Which one do you guys want to choose? Up to you entirely. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to choose black. So we got 2x minus 3y equals 6. X minus y equals 1/2. I am going to choose down here. Cool. And I'm going to solve for x. So x equals 1/2 plus y. All we do is plus y to both sides. That's all we've done so far. Next, since we know what this equals, let me write my new system of equation. The top one, because we haven't touched it. The bottom one, which is our new one that we derived. Cool. Now, last but not least, since x equals all this, wherever we see an x here, it's going to get plugged in. So it's going to be 2, open parenthesis, 1/2 plus y, close that parenthesis, plus 3y equals 6. So all we've done, just to color code it, this is that, and that went into that, and everything else is the same. So that's all we've done so far. Nothing else. Let me use pink now. So 2 times that, those cancel out. That's just 1 plus 2y plus 3y equals 6. That's 5y plus 1 equals 6. 5y equals 6 minus 1. That is 5. Divide that 5. Y equals 1. Oh my god, it's all over the place. Cool. So y equals 1. Now we have formula 1 or formula 2. Formula 1 like the racing. I'm going to plug in to this one just because it looks easier. Here, I'll do a different color. So we got x equals 1/2 plus y. He's going to be that. So let me just put a 1 there because he's being substituted in. What is 1/2 plus 1? What do you guys think it is? Obviously, it's 1.5 in decimal, but let's do it up here. 1 plus 1/2 equals, put a 1 underneath that. 1 times 2 is 2, put a plus. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 over 2. Very good. So x equals 3 over 2. And our final answer will look like this. 3 over 2, comma 1, because y is our 1.